जेल में आज मेरा पहला दिन है।
Already, no code needed. No 3.
क्या?
इतने क्यूट Oh no! This is a nightmare. Oh, thank you. My knees were getting cold. You don't know who you're messing with.
Hey! My socks don't match. Finally! I thought I was getting outside. You're the real MVP. My guy.
Wait. Public.
I noticed the lines on the other side were kind of shaky.
Embarrassment isn't my thing.
Oh no, you got me. All right, I confess. I have way too many snacks in here. But I swear, they're emotional support chips. Before you check, just know that if you find a half-eaten sandwich in there, I have no idea how it got